Grandpa, I know what this is.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh.
It says recording in the eyepiece.
Oh.
Grandpa, you know what this is?
What?
Oh. There. It's a bar. See?
Bar of disappointment.
Bar. Bar.
You call that a bar?
Yep. Bar.
You're starting to, Billy, you're starting to scare me. Are you getting damage on your brain?
No. This is some rare stuff here, people. This is Freehold. Bean booze. No, don't drink that. No. Oh, shit. Oh. Salt? Okay. Over here. Oh. Oh, shit. I hope you got that.
I got one thing to say to you. Dumbass is the definition of you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I need them. On today's show with technofox Studios, I fucked a table. Oh dear. We need to make a nice setting. This is our table now.
Alright, yeah.
Alright, I got a radio here.
Yes.
Gorgeous radio. Gonna put it up. Oh, nice. Got some more flowers. Hopefully somebody doesn't have an allergy. There we go.
Turn around.
Where the fuck did you get that? Where did you get that? And how did that get in here? That's out of service. Oh shit. Oh, a duck. Quack, quack. Quack. We need him. You will be for dinner.
Fuck yeah. I'm gonna have a dick. Duck.
This is a chair. This is our table. Here on technofox Studios, we eat plants. We also eat duck.
That's duck.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I'm pretty sure that's a triple dog dare you to actually look inside of it.
Hmm?
I triple dog dare you to actually look inside of the box.
Oh shit. Did you get that?
Not the amount of splattering, but your reaction. Spit on the fucking bottle.
No, it's gone! Stand up and look at that! It's gone! It's literally gone! No! Get a video of that. Look at all that glass. Look at that! It's gone!
It disappeared. Teleportation experiment.
Oh shit! I'm gonna take a picture of you. Got that one.
Hope you put it on your license plate.
I think I will. Let's see what else. Oh, I need to cook duck. Stand up and get video, Alright, let's cook duck. What did I do with duck? What did I do with the duck? Shit. Oh, we're gonna need these. That's dusty. Alright, enough dilly-dally. Follow me, Mr. Cameraman. We're making duck. Make a duck. Okay, what did I do with it? Ah, there it is. Alright, we're cooking duck. Use the pause button when you sit down or make a new transition. You know that red button. No, the red button here. Use your thumb to hit this red button. When you're about to sit and yeah, hit the red button. Today on Technofox Cooking Show we are making Hold on. Okay. We're making duck. You heard it, duck. So, one thing we must do is,
season it.
Yep, season it.
Alright, that'll work.
Yep, season it. It's a tough jar. We're gonna season it. Porcelain. We need to drop it. Alright. I need that. There it is. Oh. Now while we're letting that cook, we dump some gasoline in there. We need to preheat the oven. Preheat the oven. Add soap. Okay, we're gonna make some herbal tea. Just like that.
Alright.
Damn. Damn, that's loud. Let's do it again!
Alright, give it a try.
Later. Be very careful. Back here. Pulse on. I can't. You must check your duck.
At least twice times a day.
Speak! It's dead. Always put a queen in the stove for good luck.
Alright.
That's how you know your cooking is gonna be good.
Ah,
Cause I can't cook for shit.
we all know. Alright.
Ugh. I don't know what this is, but yum.
I know what that is.
Hmm?
You just poured medicine in your fucking duck stew.
Now we must flip it. Fuck. Cut. Yes.
For sure dead.
Yes. Can be fixed. I'll save this for later. It's beautiful. We're done cooking. Oh! Oh, yes!
Mr.
A battery. Cut. Okay.
Alright, look at that.
I just remembered I'm not hungry. But I am. Cut. Oh, I have to shut down the power. Queen. Oh, wait. Are you still doing this, or? What are you doing? Okay then. Thank you for watching.